Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to talk about LISS, right? Low intensity, steady state cardio versus HIIT, high intensity interval training. Which one is better? Is LISS better than HIIT? All right. So, first and foremost, I'm gonna put a little clip, whatever. I actually tried a LISS workout for the first time a couple weeks ago. I might put the full workout on this channel, whatever. But for the very first time, I tried a actual just LISS workout. Now, if you're not familiar with what LISS is, it's basically where you do a group of exercises, back to back to back, and you're doing them in a steady state. So you're never like pushing like HIIT, right? You just whatever you're just doing it. You're doing jumping jacks, you just do them at a steady pace, right? You're doing high knees, you just pop at a steady pace. You're never getting your heart rate at an extremely high rate, all right? You're just doing everything at a nice, simple pace, but you're doing it for a longer period of time, all right? So that's what LISS is. And I was excited to try this because I've never tried one of these, all right? And honestly, I actually liked the LISS workout. I really did, because I'm used to doing HIIT. I'm used to the, fast spurts and then take a break, then go hard, then take a break. I'm used to doing that. And I was surprised that LISS, when I got done doing the LISS workout, that I actually was sweating, because I felt like, steady state cardio, that ain't nothing. Come on now. I do HIIT. You know what I'm saying? Like, psh. But I was super surprised that I just did a 25-minute LISS workout, and I actually was sweating. I was tired. I'm like, wow, that was a legit workout, right? But then you got HIIT over here, which I'm used to doing, which is obviously, it's in high intensity. So you're doing stuff fast. You're doing, squats, you're doing jumping jacks for 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You just getting it in. And obviously, those workouts, kick ass, right? They you can feel that instantly. It's quick. It's depending on what you're doing, it's hard hitting, boom, 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 right? So is LISS better than HIIT? In my opinion, it really depends on the person, right? I honestly do feel that both have a place in people's, workouts. But if you are a person that can't do HIIT, high intensity stuff, you can't really push yourself, or you're just getting started with working out, I mean, LISS is a incredible option, right? Because some people, they see all these HIIT workouts and it discourages them from working out, because they like, man, I can't do that. I can't do that kind of workout, right? So they just don't do nothing, right? And then they just feel like crap, whatever, right? So LISS is definitely a alternative, right? But even if you are super active and you like doing HIIT, you doing weightlifting, all that stuff, you still can throw LISS workouts into your hard hitting workouts. So you could do on your weightlifting days, right? Which I've seen other people talk about it. On your weightlifting days, you could actually do a LISS workout like in the morning or in the evening, right? Because it's just low, it's low intensity. It's not too much of a struggle, too much of a strain. And on HIIT days, you could just do your HIIT workouts, right? And don't do the LISS. So I would recommend, like I said, if you can't go hard, just do LISS workouts. Do LISS workouts, 4 or 5 days a week, right? And that you should be fine. You should get results. You should feel good. You're gonna have a good workout strictly doing LISS workouts, right? With HIIT workouts, a lot of people tell you, hey, don't do HIIT more than 3 or 4 times a week, because if you're doing it properly, you really, taxing the body, but you are really working the body, and you're gonna get good results with HIIT as well. So is LISS better than HIIT? It could be, depending on who you are. Me personally, I feel like they're both good, but if I had to choose, I would go with just HIIT workouts, maybe just like this, right? Just because I work out with music, right? So certain songs come on. This is the only real reason, y'all. This the reason why I'm putting it a little more. Because when certain songs come on, right? Certain songs come on, and I'm doing that hit, and that ding ding ding, and it's time to push, and a banging song is on. I wanna go hard, right? But with steady cardio, with LISS, you need to still maintain, even when that banging DMX song come on, right? You gotta still just keep that pace, man. Keep that pace. Keep that pace, right? But LISS is still a damn good workout, all right? So that's my take on it. I want you to comment below. I want your opinion. Do you like LISS better than HIIT, or HIIT better than LISS, right? Comment below. I like to see what you say. And that it is what it is. Don't forget, check out the BTFL store, link below. Get you a t-shirt. Help support the channel. Help support the brand. Help support yourself if you about that fit life. All right. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.